Hello friends, I am Miss and this is my family Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. I am a center of solar system. I am Mercury. I am daytime hot and nighttime cool planet. I am smallest planet. I am nearest planet. I am a Venus. It is the second planet from the Sun. I am hottest and brightest planet in the solar system. Sun and is our closest planetary neighbor. I am a rocky planet. I am a Earth. Earth is the blue planet for the Sun. Only planet known is the universe very life. Solid and activity surface with mountains, valleys, etc. I am a blue planet. I am the Mars. Mars is the fourth planet. The reddish color of its surface. Mars is actually pretty cool. Mars one side liquid water. Sunset on Mars are blue. Mars had the largest value. Mars had the two moons. I am Jupiter. I am fifth planet. I am the largest planet in the solar system. I am brightest material object. I am shortest of all planets. I am covered in swirling cloud strips which has been going for hundreds of years. I am Saturn. I am sixth planet from the Sun. I am mostly made of gas. I am chemist and I have beautiful rings. I am second biggest planet in solar system. I am beautiful planet. I am a Uranus. I am seventh planet from the Sun. Most of Uranus is made out of water, ammonia and methane. I am a third largest dynamometer in our solar system. Uranus is a very cold and windy. I am a ice giant. I have many moons. Uranus is surrounded by offset 13 rings. I am nearby the equator. I am a Neptune. I am a eighth planet from the Sun. I am fourth largest planet. I am third most massive planet. I am gas giant planet. I am fourth largest planet.